The verses that I'm going to read now are specifically related to so-called believers. I'm using the word so-called because Quran refers to believers. And as it says, among the believe, I will define what happens. And in the Quran, Surah Al-Nisa 4 and Ayah 161, وَأَخْذِهِمُ الرِّبَا وَقَدْ نُهُوا عَنْهُ وَأَكْلِهِمْ أَمْوَالَ النَّاسِ بِالْبَاطِلِ وَأَعْتَدْنَا لِلْكَافِرِينَ مِنْهُمْ عَذَابًا أَلِيمًا. And they took a riba, the increase, and without doubt they were prohibited about it. And they ate the wealth of the people with falsehood. And we have prepared for the rejectors among them a painful punishment. Now, if you listen to the word ar-riba, the riba means the increase. I will certainly not discuss the whole issue of the riba right now, but since I have to tell you, explain to you the small concept of riba. What exactly riba means, the increase. You see, the point is, there are two ayahs. You can note down the reference, it's not in the booklet, and the reference is Surah Anfal 8 and 41 and Surah Al-Hashr 59, 7, 8 and 9. In these verses, the concept of riba established. First, I will explain to you the concept of riba, and then I will discuss the amount of money that I have to share among the categories. I'll explain, but I will not go into detail. You don't have to ask me the question because it's a separate lecture altogether. Just I'm trying to explain to you because this is very much related to our lecture, the war, and how it will be related. You'll understand in a few moments of time. So first of all, in Surah Anfal 8 and Ayah 41. I'm reading small portion of ayah. This is not mentioned in that booklet. وَعْلَمُوا أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَأَنَّ لِلَّهِ خُمُسَهُ لِلرَّسُولِ وَلِذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ. I'm not reading the whole ayah. It refers to, and know that surely whatever ghanim profit you get from anything, if you believe in Allah, then surely 1/5 of a sadaqah, charity, is for Allah and for Rasul, the messenger, and for qurba, the relatives, and for yatama, the orphans, and for masakin, the needy. I'm not reading the whole ayah, just to explain the point that Allah says, whatever, wa'alamu annama ghanim, whatever you get the profit from anything, whatever profit you get from anything, 1/5 is for these categories. But before I explain, if you read these categories are 6. If you count them, they are 6 categories. I want to just read further in Surah 59, Hashr, and 7 and 8. Just the 2 more categories I'm reading. Lil fuqara al muhajirin alladhina ukhriju min diyarim wa amwalikum walladhina tabaw dar wal iman min qablihim. Total are 8 categories. You just write down the references. The whole lecture is separate. I just want to establish the point, what is riba, so that you are clear in your mind. Now Allah said there are 8 categories. Whatever the profit you get from anything, whatever the profit you get from anything, you have to share this profit among these 8 categories. And the amount is 1/5 of your profit. The 1/5 of your profit, you have to share it with the categories. 1/5 of the profit. So suppose the profit a person gets is 100, 1/5 of the 100 is 20. 1/5 of the 100 is 20. So if I give you in units, it can be $100 or 100 crores, or that you can multiply. I'm just explaining you by a unit of 100. Any unit that is 100, any profit you get from any good righteous business or lawful business you get from anywhere, 100 rupees, 100 unit you earn, you get profit, sorry. Not earn, you profit, you get the profit. So 20 out of 100, 1/5 is the 20, means 20 unit is for the categories. And the categories are 8 categories. So ladies and gentlemen, if you do not give this 20 to the categories, what will be this amount in your 100? Yours is 80. If you are a believer, yours is 80. Out of 100, if you are a believer, out of 100, 80 is yours. 20 is for the categories. So if 80 and 20 becomes total is 100. 100 you got the profit. For Allah's law, Allah says, وَعَلَمُوا أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَأَنَّ لِلَّهِ خُمُسَهُ. And the categories. So Allah says, and know for sure that any profit you get from anything, yours is 1/5 from the ghanim profit you give to the categories. That means 20 you have to give, share it to the category, 80 is yours. So 100 you got the profit, but because you are a believer, 80 is yours, 20 is for the categories. If I do not give this 20, so what will be in 80 plus what it will you call in this? In English language? Increase. This will be an increase in your wealth. As a believer, as a person who believes, because it is addressed to the believers. The believers are supposed to give this money among the categories, among the 8 categories in the way of Allah. That is the categorical statement in the Quran, that whatever you get the profit, and from that profit 1/5 is for the categories. And if I do not give again and again, whenever the profit, the yearly or the profit is coming, and if I'm not giving 20, if I'm not giving 20, it is double and double in my wealth. It increases to double and double and double. So that is the riba according to Quran, and that's separate subject. So now why I'm saying this, why this topic is, why this is show, you will understand why I explain this. So just to educate you this much. So now in Surah Al-Baqarah 2 and Ayah 278, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu taqullah wa dharu ma baqiya min al-riba in kuntum mu'minin. O you who believe, take guard of Allah and leave off what remains, the riba increase, if you are believers. If you are a believer, Allah is addressing to who? The Jews or the Christians or the Hindus or the Buddhists who are running this banking system? He said it is to you, the believers. He is asking to you to give. He is asking you out of 100, whatever the profit you get, that is 100, and 80 is yours, 20 is for the categories. So you are a believer. So Allah is addressing to the believers. He is asking you to give 20. So he says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, leave off. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, who you believe, take guard of Allah and leave off what remains from the increase if you are believers. Look, the ayah starts with the believers, end with the believers. O you believe, and in kuntum mu'minin. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, and in kuntum mu'minin. And in between is that leave of the riba, leave of the increase, the amount of money that is being double and double, because you are not giving 20 out of 100, you are not giving 20. The 1/5 of the 100, if you are not giving, it is being increased in your wealth. And it is being increased. Increase is known as riba in Arabic. If you are not giving, it is being increased in your wealth. So it says, leave off. Oh, you believe, leave off. Leave off what remains from the riba. If you will not leave, if you are believers. So Allah is explained to us that Allah addresses to the believers. And who are the believers? Who believe in the ayahs of Allah, who believes in the Quranic ayahs, who amends and correct himself. So Allah addresses the believers. All the ayahs I'm telling you are referred to the believers in concern of ar-riba, the increase. It is not addressed to the other people. Address. Now if you go further in Surah Baqarah 2 and Ayah 271. Continuity, this ayah is continuity. فَإِن لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا فَأَذَنُوا بِحَرْبٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ وَإِن تُبْتُمْ فَلَكُمْ رُؤُوسُ أَمْوَالِكُمْ لَا تَظْلِمُونَ وَلَا تُظْلَمُونَ. Then if you do not leave off what remains from our riba, the increase, so take a notice of war from Allah and His Messenger. And if you turn back, then the heads of your wealth are for you. You do not oppress and you will not be oppressed. So Now in this ayah Allah says that if you do not leave off, what was asked to leave off? Out of 100, 20 should be given off. If you will not leave off, but this has been multiplied in your money. So if you will not, the remains is 20 included in the 80 is being increased again and again with you. If you will not leave off, so Allah says in the whole Quran that take a notice of war, the topic. Take a notice of war against the believers and his messenger. To who? Who? To whom the Allah is giving the notice of war? To the believers. This is the only one place that Allah in the whole Quran gives the notice of war. Not to the Jews, not to the Hindus, not the Christian, not the Buddhist, the atheist. He is giving a war, notice of war to you. Because he knows how to circulate the money among the categories, how the unequal balance of wealth is being prevailing in the world. Because if you share the money among these 8 categories, there will be a balance in the economic system of the world. So, label Muslims or Muslims. If you will not give the money, this will be unbalanced among you the Muslim world, the so-called liberal believers.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.